Hello! Let's learn some alphabets with colors. Light green color, magenta color, light pink color, yellow color, sea green color, brown color, orange color. A for apple, green color. B for ball, ball, orange color. C for cap, light green color. D for dog, orange color. E for elephant, light green color. F for fish, orange color. G for gorilla, light green color. S for honey, orange color. I for igloo, light green color. J for joker, orange color. K for king, light green color. L for lemon, orange color. M for money, light green color. N for nose, orange color. O for orange, light green color. P for peacock, orange color. Q for queen, light green color. R for rabbit, orange color. S for sun, light green color. T for train, orange color. U for umbrella, light green color. V for violin, orange color. W for water, light green color. X for Xmas tree, orange color. Y for yo-yo, light green color. Z for zoo,